there, it's time for a DIY pretty little dress with all kinds of lace and cold shoulder, pretty sleeves, just too short. Top, really cute, black lace, but just blah. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to incorporate the two. Let's see what happens. So now this top had a lining in it. I took it all out. So now it's a nice little see-through top, lace top. And I also cut up the sleeve part. So now it turned into a cute little halter, but I have more than that, 2 uses for it, and you'll see why. So from this sleeve, what I did is I cut this in half, and once this was cut, I was able to incorporate it on the bottom of this sleeve because I want to add the lace. So I wanted to look incorporated. So that's just the beginning. Okay, so basically here she is. This is the new her. So this was the top. Remember, so I took off the lining and I took off the sleeves. Okay, so with the sleeves, I ended up adding them as lace right here on the sleeves of this dress. I had a leftover kind of ribbon, so I just to pull in the black for the dress, so I added that to the collar. Now, the reason for all this is that it was a tiny bit too short. So now I have this that I can wear as a little top, right? Or it will just come at the bottom here so that you can see that it will be a little bit longer. Now I'm going to try it on for you. Okay, so here it is. The little dress is all done, and you can see the little detail of the sleeve right here, and now you can see the length is longer. Now what did I do? I did not sew this together because I liked the top so much that I figured I'd wear it again, so I just figured I'll just slip it underneath like this, and now instead of sewing it on, it's actually the perfect length. So that's my DIY for today. Hope you like it. Oh, and there's a little detail of the ribbon. Let me know what you think. Thanks, bye.